In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the Microsoft account on Windows 11. If you do find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like in the video. And once again, if you have any questions, just ask us down in the comments below and we can help you out. But if you're using a different Microsoft account and you want to update it on your PC, here's exactly how you can do this. Begin by actually clicking the Windows Start button at the bottom of your screen and opening up Settings. In the left-hand menu, you're going to see an option that says Accounts. Go ahead and click on that just like so, and you'll see your current Microsoft account listed. Scroll down on this page until you find the option that says Your Info and open it up. From here, you're going to need to switch to a local account first. In order to do this, go ahead and click Sign In with a local account instead. It's going to prompt you with some information right here. Go ahead and read it, and then go ahead and select Next and enter in your current PIN. After signing out, you're going to want to go ahead and log back in using your local account. I can't show this part because it's going to end my recording, but you're going to pretty much have to sign out and then sign back in using that local account. Now essentially reopen up Settings just like so from that start menu, and up at the top left, you'll see instead of it saying your name up here and whatever your account used to be, it'll say local account. So go back to that accounts page just like so, and then choose your info again and hit sign in with a Microsoft account instead, which is going to be in this section right here. It's going to prompt you to sign in with your new Microsoft account and follow the prompts. After signing in, you'll need to enter in your computer's password to complete the setup. But that's it. You've now successfully changed your Microsoft account on Windows 11. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.